Hi guys, welcome and thank you for joining me today. I know it's kind of hard to see me, it's nighttime, but I'm going to be singing a song I wrote myself called Baby Bird. Enjoy! You can't fly, but you can hide. You're only little. Don't think about it, you know you'll drown it. Baby bird, spread your wings. Baby bird, spread your wings. Do you think you can think? Do you love yourself? Do not think you're no one else. Baby bird. Baby bird, baby bird, baby bird, 'cause you know I'll be here for you, my love. I keep you with me. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it, because you know you can. Baby bird, spread your wings. Do the thing that you can't think. Just think about it all. Do what you know you can. Spread your wings. So spread your wings. Ooh, spread your wings. Do the thing that you can't think. Love yourself for you. Baby, you can do. Baby, go on through. I'll hold it for you. So, baby bird, spread your wings. Do the thing you can be. Baby bird, just spread your wings. Hi, thank you for watching. I made this song and it took a really long time. Thank you once again. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, join the Anime Army down below. And make sure, sub, like, and comment down below. Oh, by the way, I don't know yet, but I might change my name. I don't know. And also, one more thing before I go. I want to know, because I just got a brand new screen recorder, I want to know what you guys would like to see on the channel. Alright, ciao Bellas!